I get a T? And if you hit me with the A-L-L-Y, then you'd see why the hall is here for y'all. Well, the mini mall is calling us all in. So kids, pack up your mom's car, back up the Windstar, kick it and drive, and arrive at the Mega Mart. Slide the side hats with pride, cause your ties match on booty duty like your name was Eddie Thatch. WWTHD, we like to kick it at the university, but all work and no play makes us crazy. So we jump in the bumpin' SUV. Hit the street, get the sweet tunes on one. Do a donut on your mama's fun love one. And sooner than you know, from the rock and roll show at the Tizzy Hizzy, we'll be gone.
We're in the mini mall, working the carnival. We like to play it all. Welcome to Sally Hall.
The automated players I proclaim. Yellow Tide, the suave fellow, writes heterophonic tunes of how love bites. Red, the proud loud guy we adore.
Is my head too high?
No, turn it up more. So Ray in the back sipping Yatkin here. He's knocking down the shots like Bill Lambier. Send home the locksmith. Green's got keys to unlock the rock in the act. Will you please now open the case? Give Lou the bass and jiggle your badoo all over the place.
We're in the mini mall, working the carnival. We like to play it all. Welcome to Sally Hall.
Can I get a click? Flick off the switch and we'll ignite the night in pitch.
Singing songs you like to hear, and the world will disappear. Then we'll be glowing in the dark, lighting up the park.
Revealing that the hall is the place that aims to please with unpredictable game and antiquities. The collectible, so delectable. The unreliable styles undetectable. Like I might rap like an English chap. Take you by the nickels and our bum you'll slap. You didn't think we had the goal? Well, bloody welcome to Tally Hall! We're stereosonic, we're animatronic, we're rocking with the global electronic environments. A quick distraction, a mechanic attraction, got a penny in your pocket for the slot.